Hello and welcome to FullStellar. I'm Misha Flake Chansu, and I'm going to teach you about HTML, CSS, etc. Also, HTML 4 and 5 will be relative to this subject, which I'm going to teach you to a later base. Because don't freak out now because you don't know any HTML. I'm going to teach you like all the simple styles that are going to be necessary to actually do here. You like that background? Anyway, okay, open your Internet Explorer or anything you use to get on the internet, to YouTube, Google, etc., and type in this website. It's actually underneath in the description later, so you can click on that to have it actually easily towards that. What this does is it's a text editor. It basically gives you a syntax like over here, which it gives in C++. Like seen there, CPP, aka C++. It also does it with HTML, Java. You have another thing that's called an IDE, which points out faults, but we're not going to use that because that's like all the noobs use it. We're not going to use that. We're actually going to use it if we go to do other things as Java or C++, but this is not a relative subject at the moment. What you're going to do is download this and install this on your computer. It doesn't do any harm on your computer. Please, people, don't just slam things into my comments that it's a virus or anything. I am into every virus that is on the computer, and this is definitely like not a virus. Anyway, go to download here or here and click on download, and you will go to this download page. If you have an Linux, you just take or Mac or I lost it there. A Mac and Windows computer or a Linux computer actually says what you need to do. And I think this is only for Windows, and if you do, just go to sublimetext.com and take that one because that's for almost every kind of computer, or just use any text editor, advanced text editor like NotePad to use it. So what we're going to do is get this installer and download that. It actually takes up a minute. I'm going to just cancel this. I'm Dutch, so if you see like any kind of thing in Dutch, I will give you my regrets and my apologies because you can't read that. But I will just point it out what it says so you can actually understand that. So what we're basically going to do is go to NotePad++, and hopefully it doesn't just cram all my other. Yeah, it does that. Just let's delete this, close, no, I want to save, close. Shh, that's illegal. That's my readme. Oh, great. Just go away, go away, go away, go away. Okay, now if it starts, it has new 1. I have new 2. Just don't bother with that. And what this basically is your workflow. It says if you enter, you see like the line numbers over here. And it basically is like to order your stuff. What you're going to do is like, okay, what you're going to do is just basically learn how to type in a basically formatted way, which gives you a bit of a control over what you're going to do. And we're going to output your first HTML file in this tutorial at the moment. Well, it won't be like the biggest websites you ever seen, like Facebook, Google, YouTube, MySpace, etc. No, it's going to be like a plain text file at the moment because I want you to actually understand everything I do, not just a bit. And hopefully you can actually read this because it's in the YouTube screen, and I've seen a lot of YouTube tutorials about scripting code, and you can't actually read it. But I try to do my biggest best and plus this up for you to actually see like what I'm doing. So actually delete this all, and we're going to do is go to syntaxes here on the top. It says file, edit, search, view, code, syntaxes. Click on that. Go to H for HTML and click on HTML. What it does, it actually gives the syntaxes the color which you actually want. So if I want to put it in HTML, it's going to turn blue.